how to attach a hole saw to your DeWALT cordless drill. So when you get a kit or a hole saw kit, it shouldn't just come with the cutters like this. It should also come with this drill attachment, and what you need to do is this bolt here at the end, you want to take it off. Then if you look at the hole saw here, you can see it's like a shape and it matches up with the end of the bolt there, so it's like a jigsaw. You want to put that in to the hole saw like that. See, it's not going in correctly, so you want it to come up. It needs to go through, and it needs to go right the way through, so it's like that, right the way through, and then attach the bolt. Get nice and snug. Take your DeWALT cordless drill, enter it into the chuck, tighten up the chuck, always give it one final twist so it's nice and tight, and there you go. We've successfully attached a hole saw to our DeWALT cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.